Here we have a demonstration to show how a magnifying glass, which I've mounted on this stand, can focus two laser beams, which I've mounted on the stand here in two clamps. And when I tighten the clamps, the lasers will go on. So we're going to shoot the laser beams to the lens and then put some chalk in the air in order to make the beam visible again. So the two laser beams are now on. The light is reaching the mirror, or the lens. And you can see that the light coming from the laser beams are then focused on the far side of the lens. So the lens actually changes the direction of the beams and causes them to focus at one point. Here I've moved the lens a little bit closer to the lasers in order to see the beams of light a little bit better. If I place a piece of paper on the opposite side of the lens, notice what happens to the beam as I bring the paper closer to the lens. You can see the spots join, and that would represent the focal point for the lens. We can use a magnifying glass as a lens to focus a distant object. I'm taking an image from outside the classroom window and passing the light through the lens and focusing it on the sheet of paper. And you may be able to see that the image itself is upside down and reversed, and also much smaller, of course, than what we see outside. It may be easier just to take, or have students take a magnifying glass and just show that they can form an image by taking a distant object and focusing it on a sheet of paper.